Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit photo and change background color using CapCut mobile application. Okay, let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and if we want to change the background color of our photo, we have to remove the background first. We can go to expand right here and choose remove background feature. We can use this feature to remove the background of our photo. And for example, I'm just going to select this photo, guys. We can click on the photo and click on edit. Okay, and I'm just going to use the AI feature to remove the background. As you can see that the background has been automatically removed, and then we just need to click on export to export this photo to our device. Click on done, and we're going to go to the photo editor. Okay, just import the photo. You have just removed the background, and then we can change the background color right here. You can go to the background and choose the color you want to apply to your photo. I'm just going to select this green color, then click on this check mark. And if you want to edit your photo, you can edit your photo right here using the CapCut tools. For instance, I'm just going to add a folder to my photo. I'm gonna go with this folder. Oops, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, once you're done, you just need to click on this check mark, and then if you want to save your photo, you can click on export. Alright guys, and that's how we can edit photo and change background color using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.